The 2006 Mazda 6. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined six-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Mazda prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Mazda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.